And here we are outside the Gene Brugger Foundation, loading up one more time. This time we're going to go to the Tola area. So we're loading up the vehicles with all the supplies. We're loading up all the vehicles with all the donations. We got lots of helpers today, lots of people here. Ricardo, Instructor Vargas volunteering again. His brother, Rigoberto, Dexter, his nephew. Lots of volunteers from the foundation. Great people driving for us today, volunteering. Woohoo! It's amazing. You can see how high the flood was. Look at the debris on the tree, and you're going to be shocked when you see where the river is and where the water level is now. All of this is underwater here. Here's our group waiting for our contact to come to lead us into the houses. And here's the river, which the bridge is out, so we'll have to cross this somehow. Incredible. Just totally took out the bridge. Here we are at the first location, handing out supplies, giving the kids juice boxes and cookies and school supplies. Woohoo! Para tus cosas para la escuela, tus cosas para la escuela. ¿Feliz? ¿Tú feliz? ¿Sí? Happy kids, happy kids.
Lo que estamos esperando con
Jordan,
los pozos,
our leader.
lo que estamos esperando con los pozos es que se baje un poquito más el nivel de agua para poderlo achicar.
I feel bad for the people. They have to take all these supplies and cross the river again, but at least they have this. So the people of Nicaragua are the sweetest, nicest people in the world. And now off to the next location. And here at this river crossing, we're dropping off supplies for just 2 people because it was too far for them to come to the other crossing. But you can see how high the water was here and the damage. Absolutely incredible. I don't know what they've used for road, but it just looks like bicycle tires or something, or old water hose. So it's very interesting here. The Nicaraguans, where there's a will, there's a way, and they'll get it done.
See all the downed trees leaned up against these trees over here? It's crazy.
Yeah.
How wide this river got.
box cart across the river. Heavy load to pull up that hill in the mud. You can see them slipping some. Yeah. Okay. Con tu galleta. Hola, amor. ¿Quiere un galleta? Hola. Buenos días. Hola, amigo. Buenos días. There's another. Yeah, give him cookies. Got it. Yeah.
Con lo de los pozos, aquí como es. Tiene pozo aterrado. ¿Y se alimentan? ¿Cuántos se alimentan? Un montón de ejemplos.
Good day. Woohoo.
Brilliant.
Yes.
¿Cuántos más o menos?
Tu ojo es muy bonito, amor. Mírame, para tu
Como
ojo.
tres, la Clara y usted.
Bonita, como yo. Tus ojos es como yo. Our great organizer Jordan working hard. John and Jordan. Say it again.
Another day in paradise.
Yes, it is. Here we determined, after pushing John out of the mud, that we can cross the river. Look how high the water was. You can see all the debris on the trees. Are you getting your mud off, Jordan?
I learned a thing or two in this country.
Yeah, baby, learn to be Nika. And here we're dropping off the last of our supplies for the day. These people were flooded, man.
Lo están llamando.
Otro. It's a big community here. Lots of people. And just totally washed out.
Our volunteers getting stuck in the mud, getting pushed out. Ah!
I'll have my 4-wheel drive on next time.
There you go.